Hello mga basketball! Before anything else, I would like to say belated Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all of us guys. Alright. And also, I would like to say thank you very much to my new subscribers. 17 na po tayo. Alright, we're getting there. So malapit na yan, maging 100. Okay, so today po, we're going to do some unboxing again. This time, it's my favorite Jordan. And it's the retro, of course. Jordan 11. Okay, guys. Let's do it. Here we go, guys. Ito na po yung box ng Jordan 11. Okay, let's do it. Let's unbox this bad boy. Alright. Again, I always keep my receipt sa box po para hindi ko mawala. So kung mayroon pong kung mayroong issues, so I can easily return it, right? So if I have the receipt, so hindi na ako maghahanap. Okay. Eto na po, mga basketball. Jordan 11 Cherry. Okay. So napakaganda guys, right? As I've told you, Jordan 11 po ang pinaka-paborito ko sa mga retros. Okay? Jordan 11. So, hindi po Jordan 1 or Jordan 3. Ito po talagang pinaka-paborito ko, Jordan 11. So, runner-up lang yung Jordan 1 and Jordan 3. Alright? So, ito po, retro. Jordan 11. So, it is called Jordan 11 Cherry. Right? So nakita nyo naman po, very obvious. Yung Jumpman po, pula. Ito po, pula. Alright? So, yung dyan po, pula rin. And of course, ito rin po sa outer sole, pula rin po. Okay? Napakalinis po, right? So, puti, saka pula lang. Pares ng Concord, itim, saka puti lang. Right? Kaya lang dito pala yung Concord is purple instead of dapat itim. Right? Kasi yung Concord po is black and white lang po, di ba? Okay? So, I think for me, there's nothing extraordinary. The colorway only is red and white. So by the way, yung Jordan 11 po, pwede pong pang-forma. Right? Kahit po nga naka-suit in tie ka, coat in tie, I mean. I'm sorry. Coat in tie ka, pwede po to. So makikita po mga celebrities, ganyan po sinusuot nila. May mga, yun yung, minsan yung Jordan 11 Royal, tapos yung Concord, si Kon nga mismo, si Michael Jordan nga po, gumagamit rin siya ng Jordan 11 kahit naka-coat in tie siya. So napaka-versatile po nito, and of course I love this shoe in playing basketball. So aside pong pang-forma or lifestyle, you can use this in playing basketball. Napakalambot po at napakagaan. So, light po siya. Saka, of course, yung comfort po ng paa nyo sa loob, napaka-comfortable po when you're using this in playing basketball. So, kaya nga po ito po ang medyo marami ko ng Jordan 11. Kasi nga po, itong pinaka-paborito ko. Okay? So there is no extraordinary element. Same, of course, with the traditional Jordan 11. Wala pong inad o dinagdag. So, ganda po. Right? So, 23. Okay. Okay. Ilabas natin kung mayroon akong pangkaliwat pangkanan. Parang nagiging practice ko na po yun. Habit na ipakita o makita kung mayroon po akong pangkaliwa at pangkanan. So, para pong phobia na ako, trauma dun sa nakuha kong Jordan, yung kay Zion na lahat pangkaliwa. Okay, so iikot ko po so you can have a closer look ng ka-basketball. So if you have any comments po, you can just post a comment. There's no problem po. If you have any question, any objection, violent reaction. Okay, so if you like this video po, please do hit like. Okay? Okay, mga basketball. Again, thank you very much po. I'm so grateful po sa aking 70 subscribers. So at least, hindi naman po kayo lahat na nunood, but at least, alam ko po na mayroon po akong subscribers na nanonood din po. Alright? So again, thank you very much guys. And see you whenever.